In this video, we will explain the top 13 foods to clean the liver. There is a group of foods that help clean the liver by activating the work of its enzymes, which leads to improving its work and performing its functions to the fullest, and thus getting rid of the toxins accumulated in it. It should be noted that the important foods for cleaning the liver are foods that may help activate the functioning of a healthy liver. If the liver is infected with a disease, such as cirrhosis, for example, these foods are of no use in treatment, as the treatment must be medical. Eating the following foods is the best way to maintain a healthy liver. So, it is highly recommended to include them in your daily diet. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic contains large amounts of allicin and selenium, which are two natural substances that may help cleanse the liver of toxins, and thus its efficient functioning. It is worth noting that eating a small amount of garlic has the ability to activate liver enzymes, which help cleanse the liver of toxins. Number 2. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains large amounts of vitamin C and various other antioxidants that help cleanse and flush out toxins naturally and effectively from the liver. A small cup of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice may help the liver do its job efficiently and clean the body of chemicals and other toxins. Number 3. Beetroot and carrots. Both beets and carrots contain very high amounts of beta-carotenes and flavonoids, which are powerful natural compounds that may particularly help improve liver function. Number 4. Green leafy vegetables. Green vegetables, especially leafy ones, are a strong ally for the liver, and can be eaten raw, cooked, or as juice. This type of vegetable has a high ability to absorb toxins from the bloodstream. This type of vegetable is characterized by providing good protection against heavy metals, chemicals and pesticides that enter the body with the food or drink consumed. We mention here spinach and watercress, as they are distinguished in particular by their ability to stimulate the flow of bile, which removes waste from the blood and thus prevents it from reaching the various organs of the body. Number 5. Avocado. Avocado helps the body produce glutathione, which is necessary for liver activity in the process of cleaning the body from toxins. Number 6. Apple. Apples contain high levels of pectin, a chemical compound necessary for the body to purify and cleanse the liver of toxins. So eating it regularly may help support liver function. Number 7. Organic oils. Organic oils, such as flaxseed oil and olive oil, have the ability to absorb harmful toxins from the body, but care must be taken to consume them in moderation. Number 8. Whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice are rich in B vitamins, which improve fat metabolism in the body, and may help the liver improve its functions. It is advised to avoid foods that are mainly based on white flour, and to increase the number of alternatives made from whole grains. Number 9. Vegetables from the cruciferous family. When thinking about improving the health of the liver, care should be taken to eat vegetables from the cruciferous family of vegetables. One of the benefits of broccoli and cauliflower, for example, is that they contain substances that increase the amount of glucosinolates in the body, and these substances may help the liver in the process of producing enzymes necessary for its work. Number 10. Lemon. Lemon contains very large amounts of vitamin C, which may help the body to analyze toxic substances and convert them into substances that dissolve in water. So, it is recommended to drink freshly diluted lemon juice strongly. Number 11. Royal walnut. Walnuts have high levels of amino acids that may help cleanse the liver of toxins. Walnuts also contain high levels of glutathione and omega-3, which play a major role in purifying the liver. Care should be taken to chew the nut well before swallowing, so that the body can absorb the nutrients it needs from the nut easier. Number 12. Cabbage. Just like broccoli and cauliflower, eating cabbage may help activate liver enzymes which have a crucial role in flushing out toxins from the body. Number 13. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the liver's favorite spices. So, it is preferable to add turmeric to lentil soup next time to reap its many amazing benefits. One of the benefits of turmeric for the liver is that it may help break down various toxic substances that are linked to cancer. Eating the foods that we explained in this video is a great way to keep the liver healthy and healthy. However, this does not prevent you from visiting the doctor periodically to check on the health of the liver. The best results are obtained with a liver detoxification treatment that is recommended to be performed twice a year to remove various foreign substances that may be trapped in the liver.